Masya Allah. Good voice and handsome, I like. So sweet and cute, yeah. This year on Dijwar.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait. I think.
Hai, assalamualaikum. Meet with me again with Ichud in here. Thank you so much for want to choice this video. You want to watching this video, and the most important, thank you so much for visit my YouTube channel, guys. I love you. So this song from Şiyar Dijwar, yeah. Duet, yeah, duet, singer, duet. So let's start with watching. Kurdish music, from Kurdish music. I like Kurdish music. Who say I don't like with Kurdish music? I like with Kurdish music, the best Kurdish music. So awesome, so amazing, right? Because I like Kurdish music. I hope I can visit to Kurdistan. I save money later, okay? You pray me, I can visit to Kurdistan, and I hope I can get husband from Kurdistan. I'm just kidding. Sorry, I'm just kidding. Impossible I get that. Şiyar Dijwar has Dikim. Two handsome boy. Look, handsome boy. Masya Allah. I like this. What this name bird? Yeah, I forget. Wow, good voice. Good voice, ya Allah. Masya Allah. Wow, good voice, I like. So amazing. Oh, so cute. So cute. I like. What names? Şiyar or Dijwar? Oh, so sweet. Here. Wow, ya Allah. Masya Allah. Good face and handsome, I like. So sweet and cute, yeah. This year on Dijwar. Ah, don't like me like that. Why? I'm crazy. Ah, so cute. Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Wow. Ah, I like Şiyar you Dijwar. So sweet, so cute and handsome boy. I like. Look, I want you look again. Wah, wah. You look this face so cute. What's name? This Şiyar or Dijwar? I like him. Masya Allah, so sweet. He like honey, yeah. Like me, sweet. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm crazy. I know. Because I like handsome boy. You like handsome boy? Or you like beautiful girl? Surely you like. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love Kurdistan. Kurdistan love me. Thank you so much. If don't love, I'm sad. Thank you. I love Şiyar Dijwar. I watch my video reaction again from Şiyar Dijwar. Thank you guys. Don't forget subscribe, like, and comment what your favorite song. Okay?